Welcome to Zubair Creative Studio. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can create stunning 3D AI social media images, just like these. Have you ever wondered how these images are made? They're all created using Bing AI, and you've probably seen similar ones on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. Now, you can create them too. Open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile phone. Search for Bing Image Create and click on the first website that appears. This takes you to Bing's image creation tool, which offers free daily credits for generating images. Here's how it works. Simply paste your prompt into the tool. You can customize the text, social media icons, and colors to match your style. For example, I'll use Zubair Creative Studio as my channel name. Feel free to personalize it with your own details. After making your adjustments, click Generate and watch as Bing AI creates your unique 3D image. And there you have it. Creating impressive 3D AI social media images is that simple and free with Bing AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the video description for the prompt used in this tutorial.